Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both machines. Install Proxyman on your Mac and enable capture. On the Android, connect to the same Wi-Fi network, then set a manual proxy pointing to your Mac IP and the Proxyman port, for example 9090. Once done, make sure Proxyman is listening for incoming connections. If it isn't, toggle capture or restart the app. This gets you immediate traffic routing. It also guarantees you can inspect requests without extra apps or hardware, so proceed to certificate steps next. You now install the Proxyman certificate so HTTPS traffic is readable. Export the CA from Proxyman and transfer it to the Android device. Use a DB, email, or a secure download. On the phone, install the certificate into the user certificate store and assign it to Wi-Fi or system trust where allowed. Once installed, enable HTTPS capture in Proxyman and restart the apps you want to inspect. Make sure to clear app caches if certificates were previously rejected, because modern apps may cache TLS state. You finish by validating that traffic flows through Proxyman and that requests are readable. Open Proxyman, filter by your Android device IP or the target hostname, and confirm requests and responses appear. If HTTPS doesn't decrypt, check the installed certificate, ensure the proxy IP and port are correct, and verify the app's network security configuration. Some apps block user CAs. If things still fail, restart Proxyman and the Android device, and use ADB Logcat to inspect TLS or proxy errors for a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.